Hi, welcome to Selina channel again. Right, so today we are learning something different. So the first one is hita. Hita. Hita in Hakka is lon-lu. Lon-lu. In Cantonese it's loon-low. Loon-low. And then the next one is hairdryer. Hairdryer. Hairdryer in Hakka is fung-tongue. Fung-tongue. In Cantonese, it's fung-tongue. Fung-tongue. And then the next one is fan. Fan. Fan in Hakka is fung-sen. Fung-sen. Cantonese, it's fung-seen. Fung-seen. The last one, not the last one, too early. Right, so the next one is air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. In Hakka is lan-he-gee. Lan-he-gee. In Cantonese is lan-he-gee. Lan-he-gee. The next one is lights. Lights. Lights in Hakka is dang. Dang. In Cantonese, it's tung. Tung. Like you can say hoi-tung, san-tung. Hoi-tung means switch the light on. San-tung means switch the light off. In Hakka is sang-dang. Sang-dang. It's like switch off the lights. And then hoi-dang. Hoi-dang. It's switch on the lights. So light bulb. Light bulb. In Hakka is dean-dann. Dean-dann. In Cantonese, it will be dean-dann-damn or dean-dann. Dean-dann-damn. And then batteries is in Hakka will be dean-chee. Dean-chee. In Cantonese, it's dean-chee. Dean-chee. So that's all for today now. I'm sorry I had a wee error again, so hope you still enjoy the video and I'll catch you soon for the next one. Goodbye.